Here we go. Here we go. We're running in with the video camera. We're gonna do. Oh, bam! Oh shit! Oh shit! What are you doing? Oh Jesus!
If you go straight, I'll get this guy.
Oh, my problem is, where'd my camera go? It's here. Oh! Oh! Oh, we're still recording. We're still recording. Yeah, beep, bitch. Why can't I see? Oh, there we go. Why is it tilted up like that? Yeah, there we go. Look, we're driving. We're driving. We're driving. We're driving. We're driving all over the place. Oh, no, what? Oh, what? I'm not supposed to, I can't drive through this screen.
Damn it, there's no one to pull up. We got.
Oh, nope, you can't go. Fuck you.
In the middle of the show.
No, yeah, we're going to the mousetrap, so. I'm just trying to like, I know this is a one-way and it's probably the one way the other way, but we're driving. What's that? Look, it's snow. We're driving.